Today, we are going to introduce two paid features in the EzyRetail: trade-in and cash purchase. Then, use Ezylink Tools to upload the data to the AutoCount. Let's start with trade-in. First, select the items. You can label your items. Then check out and click the Trade-in button. Select the trade-in item and insert the trade-in value. After checking out, the trade-in process is done. Now, let's move on to cash purchase. Click the cash purchase. Create a new cash purchase. Select the items to be recycled and enter the recycling price. Next, click the supplier info. Insert the information. For the individual, you can change to an RIC and click Require Self-Bill the invoice, or you can use the IC scanner. We support IC scanners, but they need to be purchased separately after checking out. You can see the previous record in the cash purchase. You can select the time period you want. Click to see the detail. Or you can search in document listing. Select the cash purchase document listing. Select the date range you want. Click to see the detail. Next, upload the data to the Ezylink Tools. Click the Upload button. Or you can set up for scheduled upload. Now, let's move to the Ezylink Tools. Click the POS sales listing. Choose the time period. And click here to view your records. You can view your detail at here. Here are some additional options you can show in your table. Next, click POS Purchase Listing. The purchase record will be shown here. In the payment method, the trade-in will be shown as Contra. Click Post to Account. It will post your data to the AutoCount. You can select to post all or only within a specific period. Let's switch to the AutoCount. First, go to Purchase and click the Cash Purchase. These are what we did earlier on. You can click the View Flow. The trade-in item will show R or AP Contra in the flow chart. And the cash purchase will show AP payment. For the cash sale, go to Sales and click Cash Sale. The sale records will be shown at here. Next, go to R, and then select R and AP Contra entry. The Contra will be shown at here. Click to see the detail. The trade-in and cash purchase will be auto knock off in the AutoCount. That's all for today. Thank you.